Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay in Stripe. So first thing that you will do is simply open up your web browser into your desktop and search for Stripe. And now from here, just simply click on the first one, or you can go to stripe.com. And from here guys, just make sure you are signed in into your account. And once you are signed in, you can just simply click on dashboard over here. And now from here on the dashboard, just simply go ahead and go to settings over here. And after that, a drop down will show up and tap on the settings. And from here, just simply go to payments. And now just simply go to payment methods. And from here, guys, as you can see, if you scroll down, you should be able to see here Apple Pay. As of now, my Apple Pay is active. But if it doesn't, as you can see, you will have here something like this turned on. So guys, make sure to turn it on in order for it to be active. And when it's time to set up your payment method, Apple Pay will show up. Just make sure it is on active. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!